I'm Montgomery, your neighborhood technician from Sun Devil Auto. We might be crazy about cars, but really, we're in the business of building trust. We care about keeping your car on the road for years to come. That's why we advise and help create a long-term plan for your vehicle, recommending only the services you need, nothing more. And we take this very seriously. In fact, all of our technicians sign a document stating that they promise to only recommend the things that you need to keep you safe and on the road. And considering that most of our technicians have been with us for more than 5 years, they stay true to their word. And that's how we become Arizona's most trusted service and repair provider for the last 40 years in counting. For quality auto repair and maintenance you can trust, visit Sun Devil Auto today.